off the wheel. I don't want her catching this shit. I know it, so. Okay, Kath, thanks. I'm gonna go eat something. Haven't eaten. Ooh, sounds good. You're such a good cook. Yeah, you are. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye. Is he asleep? God, I look good there. No, that's Shelly. I thought that was me. I thought, God, I look good. You know what she's wearing there? She's wearing the top of mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
I always thought that was hers.
Is that when you break your arm a little one. Look at you trying to do it.
I cannot. I couldn't. I still can't, man.
That's funny. Aw, Dana. I feel sorry for him.
He's so tired.
You know, I didn't realize you danced around so much. I didn't know
I
you
still
did
do.
that.